Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys exactly how I do my hair. It's going to be a little bit different today because I just picked up some pretty ass hair. I was deciding to pick this up because, girl, let me show you guys. This is the Ultra Velvet Brazilian hair. This is in 36 piece. This is a little bit different than what I usually get, and this right here is popping. I wanted to try the number 4 because I decided to just go a little bit lighter than what I usually get. I'm gonna wrap my hair, and I'm also just going to put the stocking cap on with it so that my edges won't get messed up when I do take the cap out of my head. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that. Girl, this hair, I was like, I don't know if I want to get this, but this hair is so freaking pretty. I feel like the bag of ThaModel in here, I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta get this. If you guys don't know, I love looking on the back just to see how the hair is. I fall in love with stuff like that. So I like, oh, I'm gonna pick that up because her hair is a bomb. So I'm gonna be going in and using my strips just to put over my head. I don't want my hair to rip out when I do take my wig or whatever I'm trying to do. I'm not going to rip my hair out because we need our hair, okay? I did go in and braid my hair back in the back. It's really okay if you don't close it all the way up because it's gonna pull completely off. And if you guys are willing to make a wig or whatever, you guys can really use these strips on your cap just so that, you know, you want a wig and you want to take it off. When I'm on a budget, I usually just get what I get, and it still turns out pretty well. I think I'm gonna leave this long, these sideburns long, And then I want the bangs long. And then I'm just gonna leave this like this because this is so freaking pretty. I love it. Hopefully I cut the back right. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. And this is how it's looking. I wanted to leave like a full bang in the front and then long sideburns on the side. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. Let me turn around. Like, I love it. Let me turn the other way. I am literally in love with this style because I love how this hair is so freaking soft. I love it. I'm really in love with it. It was easier for me to put on because the strips was already cut, so I could just literally like put them in, and that was really perfect. I didn't have to cut anything out. I just put them in and that was that. So I think I'm gonna get that hair again. It didn't give me any problems when I was cutting it. It was cutting really, really smooth, and I love it. No tangling, no nothing. This is really, really smooth. If you guys like this hairstyle, make sure you guys comment down below, and also make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys so much. I'm ready to show the world this hair, and girl, I'm ready. I want to like spike it up a little bit.